Welcome back to our channel. If you've been looking for a powerful juicing machine that can handle all your fruit, vegetable, and food needs, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of the NutriBullet Juicer Pro. Get ready to unlock the ultimate juicing experience right in the comfort of your own kitchen. You wake up in the morning, craving a refreshing and nutritious glass of juice. With the NutriBullet Juicer Pro, you can effortlessly turn your favorite fruits and vegetables into a delicious and revitalizing drink. This powerful centrifugal juicer is designed to extract every last drop of goodness, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredients. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro boasts a sleek and compact design, perfect for any kitchen countertop. Its advanced technology and high-speed motor make juicing quick and efficient. Whether you're juicing oranges, apples, carrots, or leafy greens, this machine can handle it all. Say goodbye to chunky pulp and hello to smooth, velvety juice that bursts with flavor. One of the standout features of the NutriBullet Juicer Pro is its large feeding chute. This means you can juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for chopping or pre-cutting, saving you valuable time and effort. The stainless steel blades effortlessly pulverize your ingredients, while the mesh filter ensures a smooth and pulp-free juice every time. But that's not all. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro comes with multiple speed settings, allowing you to customize your juicing experience. Whether you prefer a fine juice or a slightly thicker texture, this machine gives you the freedom to adjust according to your taste. Plus, its easy-to-clean parts make post-juicing cleanup a breeze. We all know the importance of a healthy lifestyle, and with the NutriBullet Juicer Pro, you can take a big step towards achieving your wellness goals. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, freshly made juice is a fantastic way to fuel your body and boost your overall well-being. With this juicer by your side, you can easily incorporate nutritious drinks into your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.